welcome to Reclining Yoga. Today I have stretch yoga, so hop into something comfy and let's get started. Come onto hands and knee, cat and cow. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, align your back, rock your belly. Inhale, arch your back, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Moving at your own pace. Neutral spine. Reach one arm forward and the opposite leg back. Stretch through your fingertips and your heel. Tiger pose. Inhale and exhale. Switch side. Come back center. Keep your hips over your knees and lower your chest down. Rest your forehead or chin on the mat. Inhale and exhale. Focus on your breath. From here, bring your hands back under your shoulders, tuck your toe, lift your hips up and back, coming into downward facing dog. Lengthen spine. Look forward, walk your hand. Inhale halfway up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Release your hand. Step your foot back. Inhale, arms up, warrior one. Bend your front knee, relax your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Come into warrior two. Open your arms wide. Look down through your front foot. Come into triangle pose. Look at the sky. Open your chest. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Hand to the mat, half split. Lower your back knee to the mat, sink your hips down, root down through your front foot. Lengthen spine. Inhale and exhale. Switch side. Inhale, arms up, warrior one. Bend your front knee, relax your shoulder. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Ha. Warrior two. Open your arms wide. Bend your front knee. Gaze straight. Triangle pose. Open your chest. Look at the sky. hand to the mat, half split. Lower your back knee to the mat, sink your hips down, root down through your front foot. Lengthen spine. Inhale and exhale. Come into child pose to rest. Forehead to the mat. Relax your head and neck and shoulder and back, hips, legs, feet, fingertip, hand, arms. Everything relax. Please listen to your body. Slowly wake up. Come into wide leg stretch. Open your leg wide. Root your sitting bone into the earth. Arm up, bend to the side. Inhale and exhale. Switch side. Come into cross-legged seated position. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. One more. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Last one. Inhale, arms up, palms touch. Exhale, hand to the heart center. Gently open your eyes. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.